Train with WK. This is a programming fundamental series. So you will learn about programming in this course, basic fundamentals and creating project, how to create project and how to run this. So all these things you will learn in this tutorial. So keep in touch. First, you can see here our channel link. So you can share, comment, and like, subscribe. So let's start. What is the topic of today's videos? So in this video you will learn introduction, reason makes C Sharp a widely used professional language, strong programming feature of C Sharp, creating a first project. We will create a project at the end of this video. So keep in touch. So let's start our topic. Introductions. C Sharp is a simple, modern, general-purpose object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft within its .NET initiative led by Ender Hesberg. Prerequisite for the initial students, C Sharp programming is very much based on C and C++. So don't worry about this. It is also based on C and C++ programming language. So if you have a basic understanding of C++ programming, then it will be fun to learn C Sharp. So reason makes C Sharp widely used. What is the reason? So reason is that it's a modern general purpose programming language, object oriented programming, easy to learn, component oriented structured language, produces efficient program, can be compiled on a variety of computer platform, and all think it supports of .NET framework. Strong programming feature of C Sharp. Following in the list of the few important features. It has Boolean conditions, automatic garbage collection, standard libraries, assembly version, properties and events. These all things included in C Sharp. Delegate events management, easy to use, generic indexes, conditional compilation, simple multi-threading, link, lambda expression, integration with Windows. Creating a first project. So let's start how to create a project. Just click on the project and create a new project. I'm using a Visual Studio 2019, so don't worry, you can download and install it. We can C Sharp fundament. So you can write here any name, and where is to save. Just I'm going to here. No projects, no .NET projects. Yes, I'm here just creating a directory. Select folder, next. Can change here the framework. So just I have created a project, you can see here. So it is our first program. You can write here console dot write line So at the end you have to write a semicolon, and it's a main function. The program, this is a class name, this is the namespace. Basically namespace is a collection of classes using systems. You are using a system, and a static main, you can run here your project. It's a console application. You can see here the output. This is the first project of programming fundamental. This is the output. Press any key to continue. When you click on any key, it will stop. So I'm just writing here welcome to programming. And so this is the basic project. So you can create, I just want to tell you, you can create like this a simple project. So after that, one thing you have to write console.writeLine, another is console readline. What is the difference? Console.readline, when you want to take a input in variables, then you have to write a console.readline. When you have to show the output, you have to write the console.writeLine. So this is the basic syntax of these C#. So you can also print here string name, first name. I am using a camel notation. Ali Hassan. So you can use it. Now see the output. Welcome to programming Ali Hassan. This is the first project of programming Fantel. Programming. Now I just wrote here console.read, and that's why it's asking me to input. Just I'm giving you input and pressing it to continue. So this is the first project of programming fundamental. So we are going to, here is the programming namespace. I have declared class, I already defined. I didn't create a method, but we will create a method and will explain all things. Main method, I already explained the main method. And the comment section I didn't define. You can comment like or control KC. Control KC to you can do the comment.